is gonna hold all the documentation that you guys are always missing. I'm sorry, but it's the truth. So, you can have here, for example, the daily logins. You can have here also the moisture mapping readings, and you can have here the supervising of all the monitoring equipment and all that stuff.
And they pay for supervisor's hours. They do.
It's very light. Look how light it is. So you can have it anywhere from the entrance to the inside of the job site.
Purely to your machine. You can bend it, different machines, some are circled, some are squared, and it clips onto your ducting and prevents it from blowing out and improper ventilation.
Lay flat duct hanger or more commercial style jobs. You can hang it from the ceiling. These are relatively cheap. You can hang as many as you want to run it around the perimeter. Cut slits in the bottom of your lay flat. You're blowing down. Keeps it up off the floor. No tripping hazards.
Alrighty. Here we have the installation cloth. This is top brand. You know, at your local Home Depot, Lowe's, for the approximate price of $39.99 plus shipping and handling. You ever have that problem? You're like, oh, I can't reach this installation. Like, I'm too lazy to go to the van. I don't want that ladder. Pull out your handy dandy installation cloth. You just grab that installation, you pull it down, you can put it right in your bag. Get your installation cloth today.
Wrapping up your gourds, getting them off to one side, again preventing trip hazards. And as a secondary option, you can force open, make these probes straight, and use them as like a reach for your invasive meter.
Wow.
Again, as everyone else, it is very expensive, $99 retail.
Wow.
Yeah.
And it syncs with all smartphones?
Generally.
Our product is FlexLine. You can either buy all these products ranging from $9.99 to $39.99, or buy my product. It is only $14.99, and you can make any shape, including the hanger that hangs document, including the device that can pull insulation, or vice versa. It is very, very, very flexible. So it is $14.99, plus comes with what we are different is the customer service.
Oh, wow.
You know, product is flexible, you're innovative, everyone is good, the price is amazing. What we back the product with is excellent customer service. We are 24-hour service. Call us, we'll deliver, hand deliver the product and everything. The minimum order, obviously we would like to deal with big companies and everything. We can give you a couple of products for free, no charge, but minimum order is 100 because we want to be every single wear. Thank you for your time, and please try our product.
Here's what you do. Most commercial buildings and offices have a drop ceiling. Get your 8-foot ladder, bring it up on over, push the drop ceiling aside, remove the drop ceiling on the other side of the door, lean up over, and you can pull the handle and gain entry into the door. So that way you don't have to pack your crew up and tell the owner or the property manager, hey, I couldn't get the last one because it was not done. And who let you in? Probably a security guard or something like that. So now what you do is you have a cost avoidance of bringing your crew back for the next night, setting back up, taking care of that room or that floor or whatever you happen to be doing in there. It's ergonomically designed. It's made out of 16-gauge aluminum. It won't rust. It has a 5-year warranty, and it's safety engineered. And today, if you buy one, it's only $19.95. But wait, if you order now, we'll throw in a second one, only shipping and handling.